YouTube channel. Today I'm presenting you with a Daewoo 700 watt 20 litre microwave model SDA 2825, which is a UK model. It comes in at $44.95, recently reduced from $99.99. As you can see, this microwave is very compact, but the one thing that I do like about it is it's a manual microwave, which tends to have less problems than the digital versions. The footprint on it is very small. It has various power levels, rating from 20%, 42%, 52%, 73%, 88%, and maximum of 100%. It has a maximum timer of 30 minutes. The door on these microwaves are pull, so there's no button to pull them out. You have to pull them out, which for some people can be a little bit awkward, especially with this microwave being lightweight. The interior, as you can see, is quite small. Even though it's 20 litres, it is a small microwave, considering I've had one before that was 20 litres and it was quite substantially bigger than this one. But if you have a small kitchen, this is a perfect piece of equipment to add to your kitchen. It gets the job done. It comes with a 3-year warranty. It's by a reputable company, Daewoo, so you can't really go wrong with them. I've had them before and they've lasted me many, many years. And just a little walk around so you can see. Like I said, it does have a very small footprint. And there we have it, the Daewoo 700 watt 20 litre microwave model SDA 2825. I'll put a link in the description below where you can get one for this price. They're currently doing them on offer on Studio for $44.99. And I recommend, if you're just after a cheap, small footprint microwave with 700 watts of power, to take a look in. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again.